After installing 10mm wheel spacers, they will add about 10mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 10mm wheel spacers on each front wheel, then increase a total of 20mm track width. That is not much for a Porsche Cayenne. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 10mm wheel spacers. Wheel spacers will reduce the wheel gap, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Certainly, most cars look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush with the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, consider a proper set of wheel spacers. Wheel spacers will be helpful in upsizing your wheels. If you get a set of alloy wheels that don't quite fit your car because of high offset, wheel spacers will make the offset lower. By pushing the wheel further away from the hub assembly, they avoid potential rubbing issues. To ensure a safe wheel rotation, you will need more back spacing for brake calipers. The aftermarket brakes requires more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more back spacing, wheel spacers clear big brake clearance issues effectively. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Porsche Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.